Now, KENS-5 First Alert Weather with Bill Taylor.
So, big weather changes rolling in on Christmas 2012, and I'll tell you what, you really kind of sit down and work harder on these kind of forecasts than many others. And I'll tell you, Jeff, it was a close call. I almost didn't have this forecast ready for tonight. It was a very, very close call. It was just the other night here in the First Alert Weather Center. I'm working, you can see me kind of crunching the numbers here, working on the Christmas forecast. When out of nowhere, look what happens.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at this. He's got to be stopped. Where will it end? Look at, see?
I'm the Grinch.
That is Jeriko Adriel, 12-year-old actor with Texas Actors Workshop. He, for 3 years, was with Televisa Mexico and a sitcom named TV Kids, so he was a great Grinch. We got some great outtakes coming up from that, too. All right, cloudy skies. We'll also show you, coming up in about 10 minutes or so, we're going to check on Santa Claus because we've got Christmas back. The Grinch's heart grew. 60 and cloudy over downtown tonight. Precipitation hard to find. 71 degrees right here for the high a little after 3 o'clock today. 45 this morning was chilly. And for 2012, as we close in on the annual number, it's not going to adjust much because we just don't have a whole lot of measurable rain. 39.14 in the forecast, and now the surplus 7.25. It was double that earlier in the year. Okay, so now we had some precipitation east and also some showing up at Lubbock. Nothing really coming together just yet. We've got the stationary front in place and the low out to the west. It'll kick through, and when it does early, that's the best chance of getting the rain. When the low comes across is when we have the best lift in our atmosphere for a 30% chance here, but it looks as though this really comes together east of San Antonio. Watch what future radar shows. A few showers available early to the north and then again to the east. It'll mainly be through mid-morning hours that we have the best chance before it evaporates out, and then we get a lot of sunshine and a lot of wind. So we've got winds of about 25 to 30 miles per hour. Gusts could get as high as 40. And look at the low. You can see it's skirting right across northeast Texas, where even as far south as Tyler, there is a light dusting of snow in the forecast. The big upper level system is digging in now. You can see it moving into northern Mexico. It'll eject out to the northeast, and that's when we'll start to see it move eastward and the cold air coming in right on behind it. When the low is on top of us, remember, that's our best chance of rain. Then Tuesday night heading into Wednesday is when it's east of us and that cold air will blast in. So look at it this way. Rain and storms east for overnight. Then during the day tomorrow, sunny by the afternoon but very windy. Wednesday, the big drop in temps. Overnight 55. Rain chance 30%. 7-day 68 tomorrow, but very windy and very cold through midweek. Again, rain chance the best through the morning hours and only about 30% here in the city. So we had to do it. We had to take the Grinch onto the wall and just see what would happen. Look at the face right there.
Looks like an Ewok.
Yeah, an Ewok, exactly. Or like a Christmas seal. I don't know. It was just a lot of fun. Thanks again, Jeriko. That was good stuff.
That was indeed.
Merry Christmas.
Back at you. You ready for the Christmas forecast here?
Yeah, well, that's it.
That's it. All right, we'll
check with Santa in a few.
We're getting the hard wrap.